Hey everyone! Are you ready to give your skin a fresh glow without stepping outside? Today, we're diving into the world of chemical peels and how they can elevate your beauty routine. Understanding chemical peels is crucial because they can dramatically improve your skin's appearance. Whether you're dealing with rough texture, dark spots, or simply want to brighten your complexion, a chemical peel can be a game changer. Plus, knowing how to safely perform this treatment at home makes self-care easy and accessible for everyone. 1. A chemical peel is a skincare treatment that uses acids to gently exfoliate the top layer of your skin, removing dead skin cells and revealing the fresh skin underneath. Think of it as a mini reset for your face too. There are three main types: superficial, medium, and deep peels. Superficial peels are the safest for home use and perfect for beginners, typically containing mild acids like glycolic or salicylic acid. 3. At-home chemical peels can enhance your skin's texture, reduce fine lines, and help with acne. They're convenient and easily fit into your skincare routine. 4. When selecting a product, look for gentle at-home peel kits with clear instructions. Always check the ingredient list, and if you're unsure, consulting with a dermatologist is a wise choice. 5. Before you start, ensure your skin is clean and dry. It's best to avoid any other exfoliating products for at least a week prior to prevent irritation. 1. Begin with a gentle cleanser to remove makeup and dirt. 2. Follow the instructions that come with your product, usually applying a thin layer to your face. 3. Leave the peel on for the recommended time. Don't rush this step. 4. Use lukewarm water to carefully wash off the peel. 5. Finish with a good moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Be cautious not to overdo it. Using a chemical peel too frequently can irritate your skin. Always perform a patch test on a small area first, and remember to avoid sun exposure afterward. Sunscreen is essential. And that's it. Chemical peels can be a fantastic addition to your skincare routine. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips. Happy peeling! YourSource1.com, YourSource2.com. Feeling frustrated with dull, uneven skin? Want a quick way to boost your glow? Let's dive into the exciting world of chemical peels and discover how you can achieve radiant skin right at home. Chemical peels are a fantastic method for enhancing your skin's texture and overall appearance. They work by sloughing off dead skin cells, revealing the fresh, vibrant skin underneath. With the right at-home routine, you can enjoy these benefits without breaking the bank or spending hours at a spa. A chemical peel involves applying a solution to your skin to exfoliate the top layers. This treatment can minimize the appearance of wrinkles, acne scars, and uneven skin tone, giving you a youthful, refreshed look. For at-home use, a mild peel is typically the safest and most effective option. At-home chemical peels save you time and money while delivering impressive results. They're perfect for maintaining your skin's health between professional treatments and can easily fit into your daily routine. 1. Look for a gentle chemical peel designed for home use, and read the instructions carefully. 2. Start with a clean face using a gentle cleanser, then pat your skin dry. 3. Follow the product instructions for application, applying it evenly and leaving it on for the recommended time. 4. When the time is up, rinse your face with cool water to remove the peel, then apply a soothing moisturizer. 5. Your skin will be more sensitive after a peel, so don't forget to apply sunscreen before heading outdoors. Stick to the recommended frequency on the product, as using peels too often can irritate your skin. Always perform a patch test before trying a new product to ensure it suits your skin type. After a peel, your skin is more vulnerable to sun damage, so make sunscreen your best friend. And that's it. A simple guide to unlocking radiant skin with at-home chemical peels. Consistency is key. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips. https://amazonbeauty.com Articles Chemical Peel at Home Treatment Truck
0B60074906314872679278278549379ATDB9BF. Here's the improved version of your script chunk. 1.
Start with a gentle cleanser.
2. Apply the peel. Use a cotton pad or your fingers to apply the product evenly, beginning at the center of your face and working outward. 3. Follow instructions. Leave the peel on for the recommended time. Set a timer so you don't lose track. 4. Moisturize after.